right, so we take a look now at where temperatures are at. 84 degrees in McAllen, 88 in Harlingen, and 89 degrees in Brownsville. We've seen plenty of clouds, and we've seen a decent amount of rainfall popping up here and there. Just hours ago, McAllen and Farr and Edinburgh saw some showers, but now it's pretty calm. Most of the activity is drizzle, and that's mostly out towards Harlingen right now. So our eyes are on the tropics and what's going on. Obviously, our high-resolution radar, this actually shows the path that it took, that Tropical Storm Harold took, as it made landfall at 10 a.m. just farther up towards the north. And as it moved in, you notice most of the activity was farther up in the ranch lands compared to the Rio Grande Valley. We've had these streamer showers that have picked up, but most of the activity continues out towards the west. And even as we got into about 2 p.m., 3 p.m., we were able to see a few isolated showers, but we see these streamers that kind of just flow up right behind the storm. Unfortunately, not a lot of them, not enough to make a serious dent in our drought situation. But thankfully, we got enough rainfall. Look at this, from about 2 inches in Port Mansfield to about 1 inch in Harlingen and about 1.5 inches out towards Roma. That was still a decent amount for some of the valley, but you notice who got the least amount of rainfall was McAllen, Edinburgh, Wesco, Elsa, and Mercedes as well. Brownsville also kind of left out of all of this. So we do have Tropical Depression Harold that's on a path to make its way into Mexico and then just completely fall apart. There's no energy out there. It's not over the water. There's nothing for it to eat, to soak up, and unfortunately that means it's just going to dissipate and go away. So this is one of our models. Says, well, we may still have a little bit of splurts and splats here as that storm moves through. And even as we go into overnight hours, you're noticing that there's still some that could pick up because of some of the rainfall that's been out in the Gulf of Mexico. And as it moves out towards the west, it'll still pull in some of those showers. So tomorrow morning on your morning commute, you may still see a few more pick up. But really, for the rest of the day and even in tomorrow, we're just looking at general thunderstorms. We have a high surf advisory that's still in effect until 7 p.m., but I fully expect that will just dissipate as well. Now, we do have Tropical Storm Franklin. That's still in the Caribbean, and that's expected to move right over land and then back up into the Atlantic. And remember, this is all very, very warm water up here, so I do anticipate that as it moves out, it should become a Category 1 hurricane before it starts moving into some colder water. So it's going to be interesting to see where Franklin goes. Temperatures here, though, yeah, 93 to 94. The clouds have been nice and they'll help us out for a little bit more, but once they go, then our temperatures are back up again. So we're giving tomorrow about a 40% chance of rain. A majority of it's going to be early in the morning. By Thursday, we get a 20% chance of rain, a few showers here and there. We get out towards Friday into Saturday, temperatures are back up to triple digits, and then that'll stay with us through the beginning of next week. We do have a few sea breeze showers as a possibility, but the bulk of the rain will pretty much be done.